Hello friends, good afternoon. This is Kiran Sir's voice and we are continuing the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. In last period we discussed about the poet and some information regarding the poem also. Okay. Now today we start and reciting and understanding the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. So it means that if any person having the fearless mind, and the head is high, head means respectful persons. So in this poem, Rabindranath Tagore wishes his country to get the true freedom, and he describes what this heaven of freedom is. In this way, Rabindranath Tagore describes in this poem. Let us start the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. He begins by saying that the mind of his countrymen should be free from any fear. Their head should be held in a high dignity. So, meaning of these two lines. And where those people getting knowledge free means education free. So, knowledge should be free and everyone should be allowed to acquire knowledge. Okay. Now, people should be united and the world should not be broken up into small pieces. There should be no division of people based on religions, caste, creeds, color, race, or any other such prejudice. Not only in our own society but in the country of the world as well. So that's why this is the meaning of fourth line. So domestic walls already given the meaning of this word to you. So Rabindranath Tagore do not want a domestic wall between the two people or two countries. Now turn next. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Okay? Where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm toward perfection. Now the poet wants the country where people speak the truth sincerely, with the words coming from the depth of their hearts. Everyone should work hard to reach their goals. So every person trying like this. So everyone should work hard to reach their goal and they should continuously strive toward perfection. They want to achieve the success, so that this type of person turn toward the perfections. Okay? Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits. Dead habits. So already given the meaning of dead habits, old traditional rituals. Now then he compared logical thinking or reason to a clear stream and old traditional rituals and customs that are harmful to the dreary desert sand of dead habits. He says that the reasoning ability of the people should be lost or overshadowing by superstition, beliefs and prejudice. So when we are discussing about these lines, the people want clear stream means logical thinking. People do not want live in a different way. So that's why Rabindranath Tagore thinking about the people want logical thinking or reasoning to live in this world, where the mind is led forward by the into ever widening thought and actions into the heaven of freedom. My father, let me country awake. So every person having good thought or actions. So he says that the reasoning ability of the people should not be lost or overshadowing by superstition, beliefs and prejudice. These countrymen should be led by rational thinking and not by any old belief or traditionals that are harmful. So every people wanting good thoughts, good action and good deeds also. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let me country awake. Actually, when you're discussing about the heaven of freedom, so Rabindranath Tagore give the meaning of the heaven of freedom means this is the condition of total freedom of good thoughts, good words and good deeds while respecting others. If they people want heaven of freedom, so that people doing this type of good works. So actually in a line 9 and 10 means last lines, the poet wants the mind of his countrymen to be the lead forward by the almighty superpower, so that they broaden their outlooks, thought and actions also. He means that he should be generous in thoughts and open minded. Okay, so that's why the Rabindranath Tagore wanted to awaken the every citizen, every countryman. In the last line the poet addressed God as my father and asked him to awaken his country into a heaven of freedom, where there is a total freedom of good thoughts, good words and good actions. Okay students, I hope you understand poem very well. So go through again this video, you can understand carefully and you can understand mostly when you go through this video again. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.